Alright, boys, what's good? Been a minute since we've done a video. So today I just wanted to do a tutorial, and gonna be letting y'all in on my secret to being able to do headstands and play video games at the same time. So this is gonna be an instructional how to stand on your head. And the true secret, the last dab right there, see that? Yeah, that's the Reaper edition. That's the true secret to actually being able to stand on your head, believe it or not. It basically just destabilizes and gets rid of all of the unstable elements in your body, while promoting all of the pro-stabilization methods within the body. So I don't know how the science works. I just follow it. So we're gonna shake this bad boy up. Sure you wanted to hear that. But yeah, that's actually the secret to being able to stand on your head. So once I dab this, I will be doing a true step-by-step process. That's some good stuff, boys. Look at that, just sweltering out. That's like an ice cream cone, isn't it? So, got a little spoon here. We're gonna just get us some here. This is some thick stuff, and that's part of how it stabilizes you, is the consistency of the sauce. Oh my lord. I'll tear you up right there. You know, I wasn't even gonna go for this much for this kind of video. Look at that. That's insane. Will that even fall off? Yeah, it will. I don't want to just lose that on the floor. But that's a pretty big last dab, and it should get the point across for this video. So, yeah, the first step, standing on your head, is to basically just shoot the last dab. You can do this with food if you want. You can't drink anything after. That gets rid of the destabilization antibodies within your body. So yeah, so here we go. That's good. No, that's good. Like, you can really taste the mustard seed in that. Oh my lord. Oh, that's good. Try to lick it clean. Oh yeah. So, oh, what's up, kitty? Let me put the cap back on that. I don't want you getting hurt. You might get the hiccups. Well, that's oh, got some on my hands. Hiccups basically is just the destabilization at work, and it's nothing else. Your eyes might water a little bit too, but you don't need to see to be able to do a headstand. So let me turn around. It's gonna be weird for a second. I just want to be able to face you all while I do this. So you need to get your forearms down like that. Here, let me scoot up a little bit. And then you want to get on your head and just slowly start walking that shit. See? And then you can run on the air for a second. And that's the destabilization in effect. So you see that? I'm not even moving. Just chilling out. Yeah. A lot of the weight goes to your waist because your brain's just kind of thinking about the hot sauce. Don't think about it. So you just want to spread your legs a little bit, get some stretches. You can do that a little bit. You do the Peter Parker where he kisses Mary Jane. Do some of that action. And your eyes watering, they will itch. Don't touch them. because there's probably hot sauce in your hands. So, yeah, my leg's itching. There we go. You can also go into like a lotus pose afterward. The hot sauce enables it to work like that. So, yeah, that's the steps. It's really just 2 steps. You need to get a hot sauce with then a questionable amount of millions of Scoville units. Basically what the Scovilles do is they just like kick your ass repeatedly, and if you have your ass kicked enough repeatedly, it just can't fall over anymore. So you just do some of that. You can relax into it a little bit if you want, like that. And yeah, so that's basically how you do a headstand. We'll come down here. Just kidding, I ain't coming down yet. I'm not done. You thought I was done? I'm not done. This is kind of like what Uncle Iroh did in Avatar, except he was doing like push-ups. I'm doing sit-ups. So these are just sit-ups. You do have to have the last dab to do this. So, and yeah, there you have it. So we'll just come out of this. So, there you go. Pretty easy. Super easy. So if y'all have any questions, you can hit me up. That's basically what I gotta do to do a headstand though. So, see y'all next time. Probably play a video game next time. So, peace.